to making some easy crepes. I don't really know what they're called, but they're like a simpler way of crepes. You're gonna need some strawberries, some sugar, some cinnamon, some pan bimbo, some eggs, and some cream cheese. So you're gonna take out as many breads as you're gonna make. So I'm gonna make 5. So you take out the bread and you take off the crust. So after you cut your breads, they're gonna look like something like this. And after that, you're going to take your roller, I don't know what this is called, but you're gonna take this and you're gonna flatten the breads out. So you're gonna flatten them out, and then it will look something like this. So it's like kind of like, it's like flat. So I'm gonna do the rest and I'll be back once I'm done. So after you flatten out your breads, then you're gonna want to take the sour cream and you're gonna put some. When you're done, they're gonna look like this. After that, you're gonna want to get some strawberries. You can also put sliced apples, blueberries, or blackberries. So you're gonna want to wash your strawberries and then you're gonna cut them into slices. So once you're done cutting your strawberries, you're going to place them in the bread. And you're gonna, or whatever you cut, you can cut apples, blueberries, or blackberries. So you're gonna place whatever fruit you cut. In my place, I cut strawberries, so I'm going to place the strawberries in all of them. So then they're going to look like this. And then you're going to roll them up. You're gonna roll it and make it into a taco form. So then they should look like this. So you're gonna do that for all of them. So once you're done rolling them up, they're going to look like this. And then you're going to get you're going to get one egg. And then you're going to put it in a bowl. And once you put the egg, you're going to whisk it. So once you whisk your egg, you're going to leave the egg there, and then you're going to get another plate, and you're going to put some cinnamon, and some salt in the plate. So once you put both the cinnamon and the sugar, you're going to mix it. It's gonna look something like that. So I'm back and I washed my hands and I'm just gonna throw away the stuff I don't need anymore. So I'm back and I washed my hands and I'm just gonna throw away the stuff I don't need anymore. Okay, so I'm done cleaning the area. So you're going to take the easy crepes. You're going to dip it in the egg. everything, and then once that, you dip it into the cinnamon and sugar. And then you can put it back. You're going to do that for all of them. So I'm gonna go wash my hands because they're sticky. So you're gonna put some oil in your pan, and then you're going to put it on medium, almost medium, in between low, more on the medium side. And you're going to wait until it heats up a little bit, and then we will place that in there. So the pan has been on for about 5 minutes. So I'm going to place them in the pan. So they're in the pan. So those are the easy crepes. We're gonna leave them on that side for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then we're gonna flip it to the other side. Flip them. So now I flipped them, and they're gonna be on that side for the same amount of time, so 1 to 2 minutes. They've been in there for about 2 minutes, so now I'm going to take them out. So once you take them out, this is how they will look.